Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to uncover the hidden data inside every single file you own. You know, every photo, every document, it has this secret layer of info. Let's find out what it is. It's basically not the stuff in the box, but the label on the box. It describes what's inside. So where do you find this stuff? Well, let's start with your photos. They're an absolute goldmine. Your phone automatically records all these technical details, and crucially, your exact GPS location. And then there's the info people add themselves, like captions or keywords to protect their work. So these three standards kind of team up, storing everything from camera settings to copyright info. And it's not just photos. Your work documents are tracking who made them and for how long. Okay, so why should you care? Well, this hidden data can be a real superpower for getting noticed. Search engines use this info to understand and rank your content. It's how you get seen. Seriously, the right keywords act like a magnet, pulling an audience right to your stuff. But with that power comes some pretty big risks to your privacy. Let's get into it. Get this. A recent study found that most of us have no idea our photos contain GPS data. So what does that mean? A photo from your house could literally tell anyone where you live. So yeah, you think you're just sharing a pet photo? You could actually be sharing your home address. The good news is you are totally in control of this information. Let me show you. It's actually pretty simple. You can see it, you can change it, or you can just delete it. And there are a ton of free tools online that let you manage all this metadata easily. So every file tells a story. The real question is, are you the one writing it?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.